Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Patrick and we're gonna be doing another toy review and unboxing. This time we're gonna be featuring Roronoa Zoro, one of my main characters from One Piece, like, one of my favorite. Now, this time we're gonna be doing Bandai and Tamashi Nation Figure Arts Zero. Now, this toy, I've obtained it through auction. It was facilitated by Sir Rafi. So I'm gonna be leaving his Facebook page at the description box below, so that you could try and visit his Facebook, and maybe you could bid for the toy that you like. Okay, so without further ado, we're gonna be unboxing this rare beauty. Okay, thank you guys. Welcome back. So as you can see, this is Roronoa Zoro, one of Tamashi Nation's Figure Arts Zero 5th Anniversary Edition lines. Now, all I could say is it totally blew me. This particular toy is so detailed that you could see every particular little things, like the hilt, the shoe, the costume, and even the face. You could see everything detailed, point blank. Okay, by far this is one of the best, or this is the best toy that I've ever unboxed. Well, if you're gonna be comparing Banpresto and Tamashi Nation, yes, Tamashi Nation did quite good job. It's like it's one step or two step or three step higher than Banpresto's toy line, but the price pretty much it's higher as well. Okay, now the only setback of this toy is pretty much that's the only thing, that's the only pose that it's gonna be ever doing. It's not like SHF where you could change the poses and all that. You could do whatever you want in your toy photography and stuff like that. But in any case, even though that this is only the particular stance or the particular pose, this is the signature pose of Zoro whenever he's gonna be doing his move, like whenever he's gonna attack. So my verdict is it's so good. It's like 9 over 10 for me. Now if you want this kind of toys, you could visit Sir Rafi's page. Maybe he could auction another one of this again. But again, I hope you guys enjoy my toy review, my simple toy review. We're gonna be featuring a lot of things, a lot of toys like this one in the future, and I hope you guys stay loyal to me. Again, I hope you have a great day.